to the studio. I just collected this from the post office, so let's go unbox it. It's a little something that I got. Oh, by the way, this is a brand new space that clamps and braces worked on. You can check on this clip to check them out. Okay, so what this essentially is, let's unbox this. Would be, let's go with this big one first. It took about 2 weeks to arrive. This is an inkless pocket printer, and it's based on thermal technology, like the fax machine. What's neat about this is the size, you know, you can just bring this anywhere. This box in here comes with the printer itself, the pocket printer. See, it's palm size and maybe about 1.5 inches thick. Comes with a cable for charging and an instruction manual. It's just this page. So it just tells you how simple and intuitive this gadget is. And in here would be the refills that I ordered. And it's a strange thing, the refills arrived 3 days before this machine arrived. Yeah, it looks like it's from China. So let's figure out how this works. Oh wow, so there's already a ream of paper in there. The box, however, comes with a QR code. Let's figure out where that leads us to. So here's my phone and here we go. So it works via an app and it's called Peri page. So that's what I'm gonna download right now. So over on the interface here, you can see image and text, to-do list, text recognition, and label, web print, learn Chinese, and banner printing. Wow. So I'm over here on this text page. If you're unsure, under me right here, under instruction manual, there's a brief description on how you can plug and play this machine. It's just a one-page instruction manual. Hi art world, let's try something. Let's see if it's connected. Yes it is. And print. Wow. Check that out. On the app, you can actually change the density. You can make it darker, and you can request it to print however many prints you want. Alright guys, let's try printing a picture. So let's try image now. There we go. Wow. Let's see if I can print out one of my art pieces. So let's try printing this one. So you can select from text or picture. So picture has a little bit more grayscale. So let's try that. Haha, interesting. And if you have ideas on how I can use this little gadget here, do drop your comments in the comment section down below this video. Thanks for tuning in guys, until the next product review. If you enjoy what I put out, remember, let me know in the comments. Also, I'll leave a link for this machine down in the comments so that you know where to look for it if you're interested. Thank you for tuning in guys, until the next video. Ciao ciao.